Okay guys, so I have my transcooler, radiator, fan, and oil catch can overflow bottle mounted. Here's the square tubing radiator support right there. Welded those on with plates. Hard welding position down there. I had to overspray a little bit. Right there. There. The radiator, I made some of these lower brackets out of aluminum. Right there. You can see them on the front too. Well, kind of. Move those on there. And then down there. There's the fan mounted. This is just a stock Cobra radiator. I took the metal brackets off and I just mounted it directly. Here's the fan mounted using these stainless steel angle. So I got it at Home Depot. These are the radiator sets, plenty of room for turbo. On the top, it's got just rivet nuts holding it back to the support. Here's the transcooler, same with rivet nuts on the front. And then an aluminum strap kind of bent around all the way to the other side. It's pretty solid. It's not going anywhere. The radiator's not really touching anything. Got a little cushioning on the bottom supports. And then you see there's the oil catch can right there. And then there's the overflow bottle right there. Mounted one hole right there and one's inside. Alright, here's how she sits. Next will be the intercooler, which I have a twin turbo one coming in. Two inlets, one outlet. We'll see how I can get it in there. Alright, until next time. Out.